Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm not going to talk about any GI disease or GI problem. I have decided to talk about unlockdown. We all know that the world, India, and everybody is suffering from a big issue about the lockdown, unlockdown, and corona disease. Why I'm talking about unlockdown? Because I feel that as a doctor also we should communicate to more and more people about the effects and consequences of unlockdown. We all know that lockdown started almost from 25th of March and it was unprecedented. किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं है, दुनिया भर में किसी ने देखा नहीं है, ऐसा एक समय हमने गुजारा है. बहुत मुश्किलों हर घर में, हर मजदूर की जिंदगी में आई है, वो सबसे हम पार करके धीरे धीरे निकले हैं. और अभी खुशी का माहौल है कि अनलॉकडाउन. बट लेट मी वॉर्न यू, अनलॉकडाउन इज नॉट अ रियल game. You have to be very careful every step, every point, every time you move out of your house. Why? अनलॉकडाउन के चैलेंजेस या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अनलॉकडाउन के बाद आज एक हफ्ते में नंबर ऑफ केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. चांसेस ऑफ कम्युनिटी ट्रांसमिशन इज देयर. Number of deaths is increasing in certain part of country. India has reached to number 4 in the world to have highest number of corona patients. If it is so after lockdown, then what was the advantage of lockdown? सब लोगों को लगा कि लॉकडाउन खाली में कर दिया. I tell you, the biggest advantage of lockdown was we could delay the pandemic in India. One. Second, we could prepare ourselves, our health infrastructure, our hospitals, and we could spread awareness. What government has done, भारत देश की जनता को कोरोना महामारी के बारे में हर एक आदमी तक बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचाने की कोशिश की है और वो सफल हुई है. सो दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन. व्हाट ऑल द मेजर्स वर टेकन ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन, दे शुड गिव अस द रिवॉर्ड. देन व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ अनलॉकडाउन नाउ वी आर सीइंग? Because of unlockdown, there is increasing migration. Many places you see that social distancing is not maintained. There may be some small gathering have already started. This all is going to increase the number of cases in India. So, what is the real challenge? I want to convey same simple message what government is trying to push to everybody. Don't take any unwanted excursions out of the house. कोई जरूरत नहीं है तो घर से बाहर मत निकलो. अनलॉकडाउन हो गया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको पूरी आजादी है पूरे देश में घूमने की. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्क एंड सैनिटाइजेशन, we call in short form of SMS. It has to be maintained without fail. Especially जो बूढ़े हैं, those who are more than 60 years, उनको डायबिटीज है, ब्लड प्रेशर है, और जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको तो अभी भी घर में रहना जरूरी है. अभी आप समझोगे कि ये अनलॉकडाउन हो गया फिर भी घर में रहना है. नॉट टेल यू, आई टेल यू द फैक्ट. कोरोना का ट्रीटमेंट क्या है? पूरी दुनिया में हमने देखा है कि कोरोना की ट्रीटमेंट क्या है. अगर कोई बंदा पॉजिटिव रिपोर्ट आता है तो अगर सिम्टोमेटिक नहीं है, श्वास की बीमारी अभी नहीं शुरू हुई है, तो क्या करते हैं? उसको होम आइसोलेशन बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट वाज लॉकडाउन? इट वाज अ मास होम आइसोलेशन. What government has thought very well in advance. It was the home isolation for every Indian in their own home, and that was lockdown. Same thing we have to follow. If there is something which is really concerned, you have to go out. Always prepare a list. Suppose you want to go and buy some things, prepare a list. Only one person should go, get the things. If possible, if it's possible, if you can do it, please order online. Now even local vendors like सब्जी वाला, हमारे घर की बात कर रहा हूँ, सब्जी वाला व्हाट्सएप पे काम कर रहा है, उसको हम लिस्ट भेजते हैं, वो हमारे डोर स्टेप पे डिलीवर करता है। तो बाहर जाने की क्यों जरूरत है? तो जो भी चीज हम ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं वो ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करिए। This should be the new normal. Why unlockdown is a bigger challenge? Because everybody has started taking it lightly. Rather, it is time where you have to be more careful, taking more precautions. And this is the time that you have to change certain basic things of your life. There will be some new normals like online shopping, online buying, all grocery, vegetables, everything is possible. Avoid moving out without any reason. The biggest thing I just wanted to share with you, and this is close to my heart, is about immunity. Let me tell you, ये हकीकत है, immunity is a process or the reaction of your body, and there are no ready-made tablets available in the market to get you immunity from outside. Essential requirement to boost up energy and improve the immunity, तीन चीज: adequate sleep, healthy diet, and very good exercise. Yes, there are supplements like vitamin C, zinc, दूध हल्दी, सब कुछ काम करता है, but there is no other thing than the basics of life is good food, exercise, and good sleep. What is the real hope now? It is not all gloomy. सब जगह अंधकार नहीं है. आप काइजन की बात करते हैं, काइजन में हमने इतने महीने में भी काम किया है और अभी भी हम पूरी एहतियात के साथ with all PPE precautions we are doing all routine work at Kaizen. So the same thing you should, important thing is observe that basic rules of life. The real hope is, though the number of people affected by corona is increasing, but the patients who are recovering from corona are also increasing. And if you see the data, there are more and more asymptomatic patients who are treated at home. So what is that? Home isolation is a part of lockdown. You have to take everything positively. Things are going to improve. We have to focus not on number of cases every day, but number of recurring patient and number of asymptomatic patient. Be positive for health and fitness, and that is going to change your world. Thank you everyone.